Y'all gonna stop treating the Buttercup joints like the ugly cousin. These is fire. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And 3 of 3 of the Powerpuff SB Dunks are finished, man. Yes, sir. So I showed y'all the Bubbles joints. Really nice. Then I showed y'all the Blossom joints. I really like those ones. Now we have the Buttercups. And in everybody's opinion, this sneaker is like the one that people really weren't going for. I think because this pair didn't have like the glitter or like the ice and the spice on it. But it do has that foam-posite material look, you know, mean, angry. As you know, Buttercup is supposed to be like the mean, aggressive Powerpuff. So that's why they went this way. But I really, really like this shoe, man. One thing I think we all could agree on is that this has been the best collab of the year. It came late, but definitely the best collab of the year. Real quick in the comment section below, let me know y'all order Buttercup, Bubbles, Blossom, which 1, 2, 3, which one y'all would go with that. I'll get back to y'all at the end of the video. But the pictures definitely didn't do this sneaker justice, man. It's very better in hand. You know we don't do too much talking at Sneaker Notes. Hit the music. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So just like the other two, you get the same white and chrome Nike Dunk box that we've been getting all year. If not, we've been getting the purple one. But just like the Blossom and the Bubbles, the Buttercup comes dressed the same way. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS, mean green. Get it, mean green, because she's the angry one. Black, Lotus pink. And the price is there. Flip open the lid and the same poster, guys. So I got this poster 3 times. Not a Powerpuff Girl fan, but I like it. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Buttercup Powerpuff SB Dunk. Now, if you get close, you don't get, like I told you, like that ice and that spice. Matter of fact, watch this. See what I'm saying? You see on the Blossoms up there, you see that like icy hits all through the sneaker. On the Buttercups, you don't get that. You just get like it looked like the whole sneaker shines, like the material just shines on it. So whereas they didn't need to use that kind of material, I think they did it better on the Bubbles. The Bubbles really had that snow ice look. But the whole sneaker shines just like a foam-posite, guys, as I told y'all. So let's go to the toe box. You can see the shine on the toe box too. I still don't know what this material is, guys, on all 3 shoes. This hard plastic, soft feel, I don't know what you call it. But definitely the toe box has that patent leather look. But around the toe box is a soft nubuck suede, believe it or not, guys. It don't look like it, but it's nubuck suede around the toe box. Getting to the middle of the sneaker, nice black swoosh. This is the first one with a black swoosh, I think, right? Because the Blossoms was pink, and then the blue ones was yellow. So this is the first one with a black swoosh. That probably turned people off too. But I like the black and green look. I usually like this to be a sandwich in a different color, but it definitely is different material. But you get an all black swoosh. I feel like they could have put some green or some white behind it to make it look 3D like the other two, but you just get an all black swoosh. This is what makes the sneaker, man. Like I told you on the other two, I wouldn't have minded that this eye was right here or even on the tongue, but you get the eye on the back. Come around, the inside looks just like the outside, and y'all see that gloss on the sneaker. This pop out green translucent bottom is what separates this pair from the other two. Like this lime green look is really dope. It looks like it glows in the dark a little bit when you mix it in with that black right there. You see the lighter different shades of green. It looks like it could glow in the dark. The tongue, same as the other two, has the Powerpuff words all on the tongue. Again, I wouldn't have mind if that was the whole shoe neither. And it reads Nike SB, and it should say Buttercup there. Yes, sir. Very small. You see Buttercup named there. And this tongue, man, one of the best tongues of the year. All sneakers, not just SB. The Powerpuff branding all on the tongue is dope. All three had different insoles inside. So this one's different also. And it reads Powerpuff Girls. And it just has, I guess, I got to pull the soles out. I'm going to do that on one video and we look at all three. But, it got the comic book look in there, the cartoon, 90 cartoon look in the inside. On back of the tongue, just like the Blossom joints, you have like some cartoon stuff going on in here. But I see like I don't know, look like salt and pepper. And one of them have a P on it. And y'all let me know. I didn't watch Powerpuff Girls, but you get that there. Just like the Blossoms, I was kind of confused with that. But with the bubbles, I knew everything on the tongue. And this is the right side. You also get green shoelaces, the same color as the sneaker. So it comes in black, or you could use the green. The back of the left just reads Powerpuff Girl, Nike SB. You know they gotta show Powerpuff Girl. They trademarking. The left has that. And that's really the only difference between right and left. They all got this right here. I still don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like an eyelash or a wink. But they all three pairs come with that. But I want y'all to take a closer look of the sneaker. Like you see this thread in here, it's actually reflecting too. And that's like right here also. So that's real nice look. I guess that's the ice part of this sneaker, being that it don't have the full out. It's just the gloss of the whole sneaker. But yeah, left to right, everything seems to add up. Yes, sir. So I need one more hand. But I asked y'all earlier in the video, what will y'all rank these 1 through 3? I'm somewhere between the Blossoms being number 1, the Bubbles being number 2, and the Buttercups being number 3. But not a bad number 3. Like, it just is what it is. I guess it's just the colorway, man. Like the black on the green. They'd have just put a little bit of different color on this swoosh. It probably would have went number 2. But the way they did these pink ones was just out of control. And she's the leader of the team, so I get it. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Prices are steady where they at. They're around $240, $300, depending on sizes. So I don't believe this is going to be a $1,000 shoe. Because if it was, it would have been there already. When Chunky Dunkies first came out, they flew up there. The Doritos flew up there a little bit. They came down a little bit. But once a sneaker is going to be a $1,000 sneaker, it goes there and it stays there. I.e. Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. Like, so I believe the sneaker probably will go to $400, but no less than that. So if you're looking to cop, I think you should cop now. Now's the time. The hype did die down a little bit. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.